Big fish. Great white sharks are big fish with white bellies. They are long and speedy like torpedoes. In the ocean. This great white shark swims in cool ocean water. It moves in coastal areas. It also cruises in the open sea. On its own. This great white shark travels around alone. It left its mom when a newborn. It saw her eat a sibling. On the hunt. This great white shark hunts seals and sea lions. It also eats dead animals. It can smell blood from far away. It will bite at anything that looks like prey. On the attack. This great white shark rushes at a seal from underwater. Then it rises above the surface. The seal is in its teeth. So powerful. Do you see how powerful great white sharks are? Would you swim with a great white shark?